In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom cover image for cards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, collaborating with teams, and staying on top of your projects. But did you know you can customize your cards with cover images to make your boards more visually appealing and easier to navigate? Adding a unique cover image can help you quickly identify key tasks, enhance your workflow, and give your Trello boards a personal touch. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Trello and navigate to the specific board where your card is located. Trello boards are where all the magic happens. Each board represents a project or workflow, and it's where your tasks live. Once you've found the board you need, click on it to open it up. Next, locate the card you want to customize and click on it to open its detailed view. This will bring up all the information related to that card, including its description, checklist, and any attachments. The detailed view is where you'll make all the changes we're about to go through. Now look towards the top right corner of the card's detailed view here. You'll see an image icon. This is your gateway to adding a cover image. Go ahead and click it to bring up more options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Upload a Cover Image. This option allows you to choose an image from your computer or device and apply it to your card. It's a simple yet powerful way to personalize your task cards. Once you've selected Upload a Cover Image, it's time to choose the image you want to use. Browse through your files and pick an image that best represents the content of your card or adds a splash of creativity to your board. After selecting your image, confirm the upload. Now sit back for a moment as Trello automatically uploads and applies your chosen image as the card's cover. The process is quick, and you'll soon see your card updated with the new cover image. Once the image has been applied, take a moment to review your card. Check that the image is displaying correctly and looks the way you intended. If the image doesn't fit quite right or needs adjustment, you can always repeat this process and upload a different image that works better. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom cover image to your Trello card. If you want to customize additional cards, simply repeat the same steps. Feel free to experiment with different images to find the perfect look for your board. If you're new to Trello and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.